Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is your daily reading, Taurus. Let's see what's coming up, guys. I'll be just picking out 3 cards randomly, guys, from this deck. What's coming up for Taurus? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, Taurus. So, with these cards, I feel you will know intuitively what to do, okay, what is correct, and you will be able to see um, what action will bring the required result, guys, okay, the path to go to achieve your goal, okay. So you will know the solution in your heart, okay. You just have to listen to your inner voice, guys. It is time for you to listen to your inner voice and go with the gut feeling, okay, whatever you feel is right today, okay. And you need to view your situation from a different perspective, okay. Listen to the people involved, okay, in your life. uh, you have to listen to your suggestions and do not react immediately, okay. Understand their viewpoints, okay. Only then you will get the clarity, guys. Then you will know what to do in your situation, okay. You have to take an impartial stance, okay. Observe what the other person is saying, okay. This may be in your work or in your personal life. You have to what to say, give chance to the person to voice out their thoughts, okay. So that way you can transform the negative situation into a positive one, okay, when you listen to the person and respond, okay, instead of reacting, okay. Once you understand, you will respond, guys. You will know the solution automatically, Taurus. So that is the energy I'm getting here, and you have to try and work this out, okay. Maybe after this discussion you may be able to get a clear view how to work out your situation, okay. This may be in your work or in your personal life. uh, you may want to take help from your family or friends, okay. Join together with them, talk to them about your issues, okay. Take their views and suggestions about your problems, okay. So when you do that, you will get solution easily, guys. Or you can freely talk to your person, okay, with whom you're involved, okay. When you do that, together, when you speak out your thoughts, okay, whatever is there in your heart and what are your problems, you will clearly come to the solution, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Taurus. So this is the time for you to freely speak your mind, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. Let me pick out 3 cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up to get a better clarity of the situation, okay. Taurus. Okay, heart. Okay, guys. Uh, it's time for you to share your responsibilities, okay, with your person, guys. Instead of burdening yourself and not talking about it, okay. And you may want to accept new ideas, okay, without fear. They may bring great happiness, guys. You have to work towards the change, guys. instead of doing the following the old pattern, okay, you have to give up your fears about the new, okay, take up new ideas, accept new ideas from your person, okay. Maybe this may be in your personal life or in your work, okay. Share responsibilities with your person, okay. Talk to them about it freely, what about your burdens. So then you will get a clear view of your situation, guys. You can easily find the solution if you do that. So that is the energy I'm getting here, okay. So today you may be helping out people also, guys. You may be helping your friends, okay, or family, okay. You may feel very, what to say, generous with your ideas. You may be helping people in your office, in your work, with your ideas, okay. There is some I'm getting that energy, guys. And some of you may be taking up some kind of creative projects, okay. Some of you may be involved in some kind of social activities, okay. So that is also an energy here, Taurus. So you need to share your burdens with your person, guys, with your family or friends, okay. And you don't have to be the person totally responsible in your relationship, okay. When you share the burdens, the other person will also know the truth, okay. This may be the energy for you or it may be for your person, okay. It works vice versa. So you need to go out, venture to get new, guys, to achieve greatly in life. You don't have to fear them, okay. Fear the new endeavors, okay, whatever it may be in your work or in your personal life. You have to be the first one to make that step forward, guys, to take the, if you feel you can take this relationship forward. Maybe you're planning to uh, step into a serious mode of relationship, okay. Maybe you want to move in with your person, or you are planning to propose to your person, okay. Or maybe your person wants to propose to you. So whatever it is, there's no need to fear, guys. You need to take the step, okay, to achieve. For anything, you just have to have faith in yourself, okay, to make the great leap, okay, to discover new avenues, whatever it is, to achieve your dreams, okay. So you need to take that daring step forward, okay. So you need to explore and take the new step without any fear, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. For some of you all, you may be traveling also, okay, to some new place uh, regarding your work, okay, or to meet somebody or a family member, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting here. I was giving out a slogan the other day, guys. The slogan for today is freedom is love, okay. When you give freedom to your person, or when your person gives freedom to you, it just means they love you, okay, and they are 100% confident about you, okay. So freedom is love, guys. This is the thought for the day. You can practice this, okay, guys. It will give you clarity in all your actions, okay, in your relationship. So you can try it, guys. Please comment whether you like this slogan and whether this reading resonated with you all, okay. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. Bye, Taurus.